Hi Gastro Pals, it's Tiny Small Fry here again. Well, if you're anything like me, you'll have put on a few pounds over the lockdown period. I know I certainly have. I've probably put on nearly a stone, I think. And really, in all honesty, it's got to stop. But I don't normally go for sweet things. I haven't got a sweet tooth normally. However, during lockdown, I've kind of found I need my sweet treats to get me through the day. But I found this brownie recipe that basically reduces the amount of fat because it uses black beans. What a strange thing to put in a brownie, but it kind of works. So let's go and have a look at what we have to do.
We drain and rinse a 400-gram tin of black beans, and then we add 80 grams of light vegetable fat. Put it into our food processor, and we now whiz this around until we get a smooth paste. Now we take 4 large free-range eggs and put those in our food processor to combine with our paste. We now take 50 grams of ground almonds and 60 grams of good cocoa powder, 30 grams of chocolate chips, and we add these to our food processor with 40 ml of maple syrup and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Next we add 4 tablespoons of granulated sweetener and a teaspoon of coffee granules. After combining those gently together, we put into a lined baking tray and top with the remaining 30 grams of chocolate chips. That then goes into a preheated oven at 180 degrees C for 20 minutes or until it's firm to touch.
So normally at this point I would be looking at camera, holding up perhaps one of my brownies and saying, look, they're really nice and moist and everything else. But shortly after the last photograph you see of the brownies on the tray there, they all disappeared. Now, I can't have eaten them all because I'm pretty sure I only had 1 or 2. So, looks like I'm going to have to start all over again and bake the whole darn lot again. So, what I'm going to do this time though is I'm probably going to put some lighter chocolate in there because they were, with it being all dark chocolate, it was quite dark. They were dense, very dense, but they were lovely because otherwise my crew wouldn't have eaten them all. So, start again. Alright, I've just come out of the kitchen, having been there for 30 minutes and recreated them all again. And here we are, brownies with white choc. And you can see, quite moist. I'm really pleased with those, and they taste absolutely gorgeous. So here I am, hidden away in my little office cum study, and I'm not letting anybody near them. Well, I hope you give it a go and enjoy the recipe as much as I did, and all that remains for me to say is bon appetit. And I've locked the door, they're not coming in. No, they're not coming in. Bon appetit, take care and have fun.